Hello students and lifelong learners, and welcome back to another video on our channel. Today, we have an amazing treat for you, an all-inclusive student planner Notion template that's designed to help you stay organized, manage your time efficiently, and excel in your academic pursuits. This comprehensive template covers everything from class schedules and assignment tracking to study plans and exam preparation, making it the ultimate tool for students at any stage in their educational journey. So, if you're ready to level up your academic game and streamline your study process, grab a cup of your favorite beverage, get your notebooks ready, and let's explore this incredible student planner template together. We'll walk you through each section and feature, so you can customize it to your specific needs and make the most of your learning experience. Now, without further ado, let's dive into the world of organized learning and take charge of our academic success. Notion provides a convenient and efficient way to manage your courses and organize them by year and semester. To create a new course, navigate to the course database and select the semester where you would like to create your course. Click on the New button and name your course. Be sure to include the name of your teacher as well. You can then customize your course launch and modules to fit your specific needs. Once you have created your course, you can begin adding new lessons to it by clicking on the New button in the Course Lessons section. This will take you to a new page in the lesson database where you can add a title for your new lesson. By adding the date of your lesson, along with the starting and ending times and a reminder, you can stay organized and on track with your coursework. Additionally, by choosing a status for each lesson, you can keep track of your progress throughout the semester. The courses and lessons databases are linked, so any changes you make to a lesson will be automatically updated in the corresponding course. You can use the page content to write down notes and important information for each lesson, making it easy to review your coursework and stay on top of your studies. With Notion's course management features, you can easily keep track of your coursework and stay organized throughout the semester. Notion's assignments database provides an efficient way to track and manage your coursework. To create a new assignment, navigate to the Assignments database and select the All Assignments view. Click on the New button and name your assignment. Choose the course to which the assignment belongs and set a due date. Be sure to turn on the Reminder feature to receive notifications from Notion. Depending on the status of your assignment, the progress bar will update accordingly. You can select the appropriate status to track your progress and keep yourself on track. Once you have created your assignment, you can begin working on it by editing the content of the page. You can add a description and set up a brain dump to organize your thoughts and ideas. When you have completed your assignment, you can add your results using the Grade Calculator feature. This section is linked to the Grade Calculator database, so you can add one or more submissions for each assignment. To add a new submission, click on the New button and enter the title of your submission. Set the deadline and your submitted date, and enter your raw score. The Day Late feature will automatically calculate the number of days between the deadline and your submission date. If your teacher does not take late submissions into account, you can check the Excused box. Alternatively, you can add a late penalty percentage if applicable. Finally, add your weight to calculate your weighted grade. All of your results will appear in your dashboard, making it easy to track your progress and stay on top of your coursework. With Notion's assignment management features, you can keep yourself organized and on track throughout the semester. As a project manager, you need to have everything in one place to stay organized and improve productivity. Here's how you can use Notion to manage your projects. Depending on your needs, you can create 3 different types of projects. To start with, the Simple Project option allows you to define your goals and ideas without the need for modules and task organization. You have the option to manage your project through a simple task system or by breaking it down into modules and tasks. The Simple Project is ideal for setting goals and jotting down ideas without requiring the use of modules or tasks. The Complete Project offers a basic task system, while the Advanced Project includes a more comprehensive module and task system. You can select the project type that best suits your needs by clicking the New button when creating a project. Now, let's create an advanced project. You'll see a timeline at the top of your project dashboard where you can create different phases of the project to break down the workflow. You can add a new module by clicking on a date and dragging it to the end date. Once the new module is created, write its title in the space provided. All the modules will be displayed in the Modules and Tasks section, giving you a clear view of the project's progress. To add subtasks to your modules, simply click on one of them and then click on the New Task button in the linked Tasks Manager. Give a name to your task and add the due date. Your task will now appear in the dashboard of your project. You can change the status of your task to update the progress bar and add as much detail as possible to describe your task. Don't forget to track the time of your task by creating a new line and adding a start and end time. You can add as many time tracks as you need and Notion will automatically calculate them to display the task time in the dashboard. Another useful feature of the Advanced Project is the ability to link resources directly to a module, allowing you to have all the necessary information in one place. To do this, click on the New button in the Resources and Inspirations section of the module. Give your resource a name and select from 8 different types of resources available. We will discuss how to configure this page later. For now, let's wrap up the project overview. On this page, you can keep all your resources and organize them by both type and theme. By clicking on the theme or type sections at the left and bottom of your dashboard, you can easily access all your resources. Now, let's open the previous resources we created. Each resource is automatically linked with the project module you created it in, and the last edited time will update accordingly. To add a cover, you can upload an image from your personal files or paste a link to a web image. If you want to add a new author, simply write their name and click on the New button to open a new page in the author's database, where you can input all the necessary information. Alternatively, you can select an author from existing ones. You can also add one or more themes to organize your resources and make them easier to find. The content type will be automatically selected based on your previous selection, but you can change it if needed. Finally, you have the freedom to edit the content of your page however you wish. There are predefined layouts based on the type of content you have chosen, but you can also customize it as you prefer. The Reading Tracker section of your Notion template allows you to keep track of books and web articles you've read. Let's add a book as an example. To add a book to the Books database, click on the New button to create a new page. Write the title of the book and select the existing template at the bottom of the page to populate the page content. select the author of the book from the existing list or create a new one by typing in the name directly. Click on New to add the author to the author database. Enter the publication date and write the name of the publisher. Then, enter the start date and end date to automatically calculate the number of days it took you to read the book. Finally, enter the number of pages you read and the total number of pages to update the progress bar. You can also rate the book on a scale of 1 to 5 stars. Don't forget to add an image to illustrate your book page. Bring down the property menu to make appear the cover property. Then, click on it to upload an image from your personal files or embed a link to a web image. Now that we've added a new author to our database from the book page, let's customize their page. Go to the author database and click on the author's name to open their page. Rename the author as desired and write about their career and accomplishments in the content section. You'll notice that the book we configured previously appears on the author's page, making it easy to see which books were written by which authors. This page is designed to help you clarify your future career goals. Start by setting your goals for your future career in one of 4 categories: studies and training, work, business, and mindset. Click on the category to open it and write down all the details of your career goals in the callout section. You can add pictures to illustrate your career goals by clicking on a block and uploading an image from your personal files or embedding a link to a web image. The long-term goals section is organized into 2 different views: All Goals and Board. Click on Open to reveal the content of all your goals on a side peek page. Here, you can describe your long-term goals and add an inspirational image to help keep you motivated. Switch to the board view to see your long-term goals grouped by category. You can easily drag and drop a goal from one category to another to change its classification. Finally, you can set your roadmap for the next 10 years by choosing a year and a quarter. Click on the New button to add a new block to your roadmap, write your goal, and open it by clicking on Open in a side peek. You can now choose a category for your goal to help keep your career aspirations organized and on track. With these features, you can easily plan and track your future career goals, making it easier to achieve the success you desire.